So we're going to run through three counting techniques. So we're looking at the possible number of options or arrangements that we can have in a few given scenarios. So I'm just going to go through, and you can write this down once we get through it. I just want you to follow along with the work. An NRL team's got 17 players. They're selecting a captain and a vice captain. How many arrangements are possible? How many choices do they have for the captaincy? 17. How many options do they have for the vice captaincy? What do you reckon we're going to do with those numbers? Yeah, so that is an introduction to the box method of just multiply the two numbers and we get 272 options, is that correct? I'm eating at the Global Cafe. There are 7 mains, 3 desserts and 5 drinks. I'm a hungry boy, so I want 2 different mains, 1 dessert and 1 drink. So for my first main, how many options do I have? How many options do I have for my second main? Thank you. How many dessert options do I have? And how many drink options do I have? Multiply all those numbers together and see what you get. 42 by 15 for those playing at home. I can beat you. Problem.
630.
Very good. 630. Wow, what an extensive menu at the Global Cafe. Sweet. Happy. And the last one is I have 7 of my favourite Tay-Tay songs that I need to listen to before or to prep me up for the new album. I have to listen to my top 7. That's the only thing on my playlist, just 7 of my favourite Tay-Tay songs. But I want to listen to them. I don't know what order. How many arrangements can I have? So how many options do I have for my first song?
7.
How many do I have for my second song?
6.
How many options do I have for my third?
5. 4. 3.
Who's getting tired of writing this?
1.
Okay, put that in your calculator. 5,040.
Lots of options.
Few options, that's just 7 Tay-Tay songs. Imagine what you could do with that. Whole 7 albums or whatever. Anyone know how we could write this differently? 7 factorial, very good. This introduces me to my factorials. I want you to write out, so I'll do a separate thing here, right? But factorials, they have particular importance in probability. You'll probably see why, but I just want to introduce the idea of factorials and what they are. We use an exclamation mark to show progressive reducing multiplication. Now, that by itself isn't that handy. It does make writing a lot easier. That's one of the benefits. But if I was to write, well, can we please just go along and replace 5 factorial with what it actually means? So what does 5 factorial actually mean? Sophie, what do you reckon 5 factorial actually means?
5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1.
We don't actually need the times 1, but we do put that in there. The real value of factorials is that it allows us to do some pretty quick maths. So if I was to do 7 factorial over 5 factorial, we've just seen what they are on the board. Can we please write those out as they fully exist with a big long divide sign? Now I can tell you straight away that that's equal to 42. The meaning of life for the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy meters. So we've got 7 by 6 by 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 by 1 divided by 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 by 1. What's happening? What can we do with those? We can cancel all that with all that and we're just left with 7 by 6. And that is the power of the factorial. It allows us to quickly deal with some pretty gross numbers. So I could do 107 factorial divided by 105 factorial, and you would know that equals 107 multiplied by 106. Sweet. Or you could write out 107 times 106 times 105 times 104 times 103 times 102 times 101 times 100 divided by 105 times 104 times 103 times 102. Get the idea? Awesome, that's factorials. You can get started on the work